Vikings. Let's get you flying. Toothless, they're on their way, and the launcher isn't even ready yet. I almost forgot the wings. I'm glad I checked my drawing. These wings will give you a dragon-type view without all the chafing from this. Toothless is about to that is not effective. Yeah, this would be a great place to stop, you know, stretch your legs, smell the burning sulfur, take in the shrapnel. So refreshing. All joking aside, you really can't be here when he did that. Oh, not good. And I've flown with a lot of dragons. Anytime you want to head out into the skies over Berkeley, just stop by. We'll be glad to fly with you again, won't we, Toothless? Yeah.